thunderstorm warning for southern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Janesville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Milton, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Pale Lake, Powers Lake, Richmond, Springfield, Tiffany, and Avalon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.